They told her she was too average to ever matter, until she made the world listen. Emma Garcia lived in a forgotten corner of Alabama. Her neighborhood had more liquor stores than libraries, and dreams were considered dangerous illusions. She was the daughter of a mechanic and a housekeeper. They worked double shifts to keep the lights on. Emma saw calloused hands instead of bedtime stories. At 14, she cleaned hotel rooms after school. At 15, she started reading self-help books on borrowed library time. At 16, she told herself she would escape. But every time she dreamed big, someone reminded her of the real world, where girls like her didn't make it. One night, while flipping through late-night channels, she stumbled upon a national youth speech competition on PBS. She didn't understand half the words they used, but something clicked. She looked at herself in the mirror that night and whispered, "I will stand on that stage." From that day, she woke up at 4:30 a.m. to practice speeches in front of the mirror while her parents slept. She didn't have a coach. YouTube became her coach. She applied for the national competition. Her application got rejected, not once, not twice, but 5 times. She didn't stop. She entered local town competitions instead, from church basements to school gym stages. She lost many, won some, but she recorded every speech and analyzed her flaws. By 19, she was known in her town as that girl who talks too much. Then, finally, she received the email, "Accepted. You have been shortlisted for the National Voice Program in Washington, D.C." She arrived in Washington with only $87 in her account. The night before the event, she slept in a youth shelter. Her speech script folded under her pillow. The next morning, she walked barefoot into the venue bathroom because her only shoes had broken soles. But when her name was called, she walked up that stage like she was born for it. Her voice wasn't perfect, but her truth was. She ended with, "Don't count the times they doubt you. Count the one time you proved them wrong." Today, Emma Garcia is a best-selling author, TEDx speaker, and founder of a scholarship program for underdog kids. But when people ask her how it began, she always says, "With a whisper in a mirror, and a heart that didn't know how to quit." You don't have to be born with greatness. You just need to believe that ordinary hearts can win extraordinary wars.